welcome back to our channel, the Tapa Chef channel. Today we're going to make an Indian chicken salad sandwich. For our Indian chicken salad sandwich, you're going to need a breast of chicken, some green scallions, garlic, onion, chilies, red pepper, some cilantro, and of course the bread and mayonnaise. Okay, so this is the breast of chicken. I love this recipe. The reason I'm making it this way was I used to go to this nice sandwich shop in Bombay, and they used to make this chicken salad sandwich so amazing. This now onion, you put this, that's the chilies, this green scallions gives color to this. Then this red peppers, mix it all up, and some cilantro. Now you gotta taste for salt and pepper. My chicken is already salty, so I'm gonna add some more pepper in it. Okay, that's enough pepper. Just mix this nice. And to this we're gonna add some mayonnaise, enough mayonnaise so we can coat this bread and spread this chicken on this nice. Okay, so enough of mayonnaise. About 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And this is a very healthy mayonnaise, so it's not very fatty or anything. So mix this well. Let the mayonnaise move around. Okay, so now we mixed everything really well, and we checked for salt and pepper, and here you are. Now you can either put butter on it or toast it, but I like it this way. Then we cut this really well in nice triangles. And look at this amazing sandwich right here. Put it on a plate. And here is our Indian chicken sandwich. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Tapa Chef channel. Follow us on social media, and also subscribe to our blog, the tbsp.com blog. Happy cooking!